It's burger night at Papa's. Let's fire up some burgers. First of all, let's take our buns, butter them up. My bun's a little smaller. Mine's a keto bun. If you guys notice, the weight's just falling off of me. Little Louie, she's getting a nice brioche bun. She likes these. Now, Louie's gonna make her famous Thousand Island. So what's gonna make these really fun is I'm gonna have a chili burger. I made some chili last night, and so I'm gonna take my hamburger meat, nice third of a pound each. Now you don't want to pack them too tightly, and you also kind of want them a little bit concave. Second one's coming. We're going to season these with Double Secret. I'm sure you've tried it. Here we go. Here comes the third patty. So let's season these burgers up. You only have to do one side. Okay, so we're going to set these aside so they can sweat. Louise tomatoes from the old garden here. Some thin sliced red onion. Now, since mine's a chili, Papa's chili, I'm going to dice mine. So this is the fun prep. We're going to go outside. We got the BPS drum running at 300. Let's take the cheese and the burgers and let's make some magic happen. Got the firebox high, 300. Check back in a little bit. Flip them over. Good night. Okay, let's start with Papa's. A little bit of Little Louie's Thousand Island. World class. A little lettuce on the bottom bun. Now, why you put lettuce there is a little pro tip here. What it does is it protects the bottom bun. So from getting too soggy. So we're going to go straight here with this. Now we've got cheese. Here comes the fun stuff. Papa's world famous chili. Okay, let's put some chopped onions. And now, Just some shredded mozzarella, cheddar, and jack. I give you Big Papa's chili burger.